Hi there.
That bridge has
Hi.
come down.
What's your name?
Isaac.
And what is this that we're at?
And that's Punta Cana.
Is it your birthday party?
Uh-huh.
What are you gonna get for your birthday?
Present.
Presents? You gonna get lots of undies? You're not gonna get underwear?
Costa Rica.
I think he's into it, yeah. Easy one.
Ooh.
Where you come from?
Cool.
That is cool, isn't
The Toy Story thing.
Oh, wow, Toy Story, wow. What is that?
Oh, it's a panel, huh?
I have one of those.
Do you?
It's a little... What's this one?
Uh-oh.
I don't have a...
There was a card up there.
Wait a minute.
A card? Star Wars puzzle!
What?
All right.
Nice.
Star Wars puzzle. Let me see, Isaac. Okay, Isaac, stop throwing them though, okay? Don't throw them because they could break some of them.
Oh, I know what this one is.
So funny.
Pick it up.
You have to pick things up so people can accept their things. They're monopoly here. They have a dinosaur, and a penguin, and a lion, a dinosaur penguin. Another Toy Story thing.
Oh, Isaac!
Isaac!
Throw them, honey.
Sorry.
Yeah, be careful of the hummels in the other bag.
That's like a red skull.
You should be able to get that off pretty easy.
Christmas vacation.
I mean, I don't know.
Okay, you want Grandpa to read it?
Read the card, Dylan.
Grandson.
Ooh, something in there. Oh. That means you got a bond.
I think you're left out. You already got a bond, but anyway. Open the gift.
She will. Every once in a while she'll get like a family one. Be like, walk around or something. And make sure it's just. Oh yeah.
Oh, God. Here you go, Mommy.
Oh, and he gets Jason's book. Jason's. Yeah, I already have that book, but I still have it. That's another book.
Thanks, Jason.
Yeah,
You're not regifting?
that will tell you how to take your cat a bath.
Oh,
That's funny.
Curious George DVD.
Oh, awesome. Now you can
Wow.
watch Curious George whenever you want. Is that the same one?
Let me see you blink. You gonna wink at me? One eye? One eye wink? Okay, both get up here.
I'll have the other piece.
Why did you put trim candles on there?
A lot of girlfriends.
Oh, you did put trim candles. You're mean.
Are they trim candles?
Oh
They keep lighting back up, Isaac.
Take them out. Take them out.
Okay, alright.
Hey, Isaac, man. Isaac. Isaac, don't do it, Broden.
Excuse me.
That was disgusting.
To see the bridge.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
So hard.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Leaves that are
Happy birthday. I just did it. Happy Happy birthday